In this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up and using the accounting feature in Genesis Now. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to add our bank account or accounts. And we're going to go over to our left-hand ribbon and go down to accounting and then bank accounts. And here you're able to add your bank account or accounts. I already have one in here, so I will open that one up. I have named my account primary payment account. Then you can also add your QuickBooks account name if you're going to utilize the QuickBooks tool, export tool. And you want to just make sure that the account name that you enter in here is exact with what you have in QuickBooks. Next, you want to make sure that you add your account number and routing number. And then we give you the option to add a starting balance and starting check number for this account. Then if you have multiple locations, you want to make sure that you select the correct location for this account. Now, if you have multiple locations and just one account, then you'll select all locations. And then we are going to save. The next setup piece is under companies. We have added the ability to batch receipt processing. And what this means is it will, when you process your receipts, it will batch them all in one line item instead of each individual receipt line item. And this is great with certain companies. Maybe they sweep your account in one big group. So you'll leave this on. Now the batch receipts defaults to yes. If you have a company that either sweeps your account or your payment is individual line items, you'll come into the company setup and turn this to no. So our next piece for setup is down to agency, all locations. And we've added the ability to assign payment types to certain accounts. So if you have multiple accounts and you want to assign um, your fees to a fee account, you're able to do that. Um, I, I only have one account, so I'm going to leave this as is. And now these steps that we've just gone through are a one-time setup. And now we are going to go down to accounting and our check register. And we're able to process our receipts either just by one date or we can do a date range. And you would just select your date or date range here. I do not believe I have any new items, so I'm going to do a date range. And then we're going to click on process receipts and select OK. And I do not have any new items in here. Um, the one from the 18th, this company is actually set up for batch receipting. So I had 3 receipts for that day for this company that totaled up to 350. So it sit on one line item. Now, if it was turned off, I would have 3 separate line items here. And if you want to print a check, you can do that from the system as well. You would come over here and whichever one you'd like to process, you would select that company. And then you'd come down here and you have the option to print on one page or 3 checks per page. And this prints on blank stock check paper that you can get from your office supply store. And once you've selected either 1 per page or 3 per page, you will select this button process. And then you're able to print your check. Now, say you have items that have cleared your account and you want to make note or show that they've cleared your account. So you can come back in here and let's open this one up and we're going to select yes that it has cleared the bank and select save. And now when I come in here, I can look and I say, oh, auto owners has cleared the bank. So then I don't have to worry about that. It's just an easy way to look in here and know what has cleared and what has not. You also have the ability to edit your payees and memo items down here. And then you have your export to QuickBooks tool. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, let us know.